In this video, I'll show you how to stop TikTok from showing videos that are under 10 seconds long. First, open the TikTok app on your device. It's important to know that TikTok does not currently have a built-in setting that lets you automatically filter videos based on their length. However, you can train your For You page to show fewer short videos. Whenever you come across a video that is less than 10 seconds long, press and hold on the video. A menu will appear. Tap on Not Interested. By doing this consistently, TikTok's algorithm will learn your preferences and gradually recommend more videos that are longer in duration. Keep repeating this process whenever short videos appear in your feed for the best results. And that's it. That's how you can reduce the number of videos under 10 seconds that appear on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.